Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 33. 실례합니다. 실례합니다, which means I'm sorry in Korean. To be even more specific, 실례합니다 is more often used to say sorry when you are disturbing someone. So it's more of saying, I'm sorry to disturb you, or I'm sorry but excuse me. Again, that's 실례합니다. How do you write 실례합니다 in Hangul? It is composed of 5 syllables, and let's start with the first 2 syllables. To be able to write sil in Hangul, we need to draw first a siat character, followed by an e character, followed by a real character. For the second syllable, ye, we need to draw first a real character and the ye character itself. For the third syllable, ham, we need to draw first a he character, followed by an a character, followed by a b character. For the syllable ni, we need to draw first a nian character and then an e character. And then for the last syllable da, we need to draw first a dikat character followed by an a character. Then we just need to combine these 5 syllables to form the Hangul of 실례합니다. And with that, you've just learned 실례합니다. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 23 to 32. But don't forget our word for today, word number 33, 실례합니다, which means I'm sorry to disturb you. The first word for our review is word number 32, kabang, which means bad. Word number 31 is 잘 부탁드립니다, which means please take care of me. Word number 30 is 또 보자, which means see you again. Word number 29 is 이따 봐, which means see you later. Word number 28 is 그냥, which means just because. Word number 27 is 빨리, which means quickly or fast. Word number 26 is 잠깐만, which means just a second. Word number 25 is 고마워요, which means thank you. Word number 24 is Chingu, which means friend. And the last word for our review, word number 23, 그만해, which means stop it or enough. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.